In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your desktop icons are missing. Now the first thing I suggest you do is you come here and search for run. In here type in app data, press OK. If you're on the Windows 10, you want to come up here on view and then hidden items. If you're on Windows 11, there will be a little view button somewhere around here. And you're going to click on that and allow hidden items. Once you've done that, open up local, scroll all the way to the bottom and find this database file called icon cache. And what you want to do is you want to delete this one. After you've deleted that one, you want to open up Task Manager, come in here and find processes. In here you want to look for a process called Windows Explorer. And what you want to do is you want to right click on that one and press restart. Now if that still doesn't work, what I suggest you do is you try and right click on the thing, properties, and either on the shortcut or something called web, there will be a change icon, and sometimes it's in here. If you cannot find it in there, let's say for this one, web document, change icon, let's say it's not in here. What you can do is you can find where the source is for this one. So obviously this is a Steam game. So for the Steam game, I would right click on it and go to browse local files. You just want to find the folder where it's installed. Then I will click up here, Control C, and then I would come over to this one, properties, change icon, browse, click up here, Control V and press enter. Then I would select the icon and press open and click OK. There we go. Now obviously if it's not a Steam game, what you can do is right click and you can go to the open file location, and in here you'll also simply be able to find the file that you want to use. So that's basically the two ways that you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.